all. I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. I am going to get real in today's episode. The idea of love, family, and forever commitment has changed in this modern world. In the Philippines, there exists a woman who defies the odds, who rises from the ashes of heartbreak, who raises her child with strength and tenderness. She is the single Filipino mom. Now, let me ask you this. What if a single Filipino mom became your everything? Could you step up, love her fully, and embrace the life she carries with her? Or would you back down because you're too afraid of responsibility? I am going to reveal why a single Filipino mom may just be the best woman you will ever meet and why she can be your everything. Filipina single moms don't have the luxury of weakness. Life already tested them. They juggle jobs, motherhood, and self worth all at once. When you date or marry one, you're not just with a woman, you're with a warrior. Her love is rooted in sacrifice and resilience. Some men chase younger women with no responsibilities, thinking it's easier. But let me tell you, what's easier rarely lasts. What's forged in fire now that's love that endures. Many single Filipino moms have already been betrayed or abandoned. When they finally find a man worthy of their heart, they hold on tight. They don't play games. They don't have time for it. Their loyalty comes with depth because they know how hard it is to trust again. A single Filipina mom will not waste her time on half-hearted love. If she chooses you, believe me, you've been chosen out of a million. Some men get scared. But what about her kids? The truth is that if you love her child, you win her heart 10 times deeper. The bond of becoming a father figure, even if not by blood, is one of the greatest honors you can experience as a man. Filipino culture treasures family above all else. If you step into her world, you gain more than a partner, you gain a family. Imagine this. Instead of chasing empty nights, you came home to smiles, laughter, and a child who calls you dad. That's not baggage, that's legacy. Filipinas are known for warmth, affection, and deep romantic nature. A single mom amplifies that love because she knows the value of a second chance, whether in cooking your favorite dish, massaging away your stress, or holding you after a hard day. Her love is intentional. She won't take you for granted. Foreigners often wonder why so many men fall head over heels for Filipinas. Here's the secret. It's not just beauty. It's the way they love. Her love is sharpened by wisdom. But this isn't a fairy tale. Loving a single Filipino mom requires maturity. You must accept her past, her child, and her struggles. You can't come half prepared, you must come as a real man. Because if she is going to be your everything, you have to be ready to be yours. She doesn't need saving. She needs a partner. She doesn't want promises. She wants presence. So let me end today's episode with this. A single Filipino mom isn't baggage. She is a blessing. She can be your best friend, your greatest love, your strongest ally, and yes, your everything. The only question is, when destiny places her in front of you, will you be brave enough to say yes? Because sometimes the greatest love of your life already comes with a child. And trust me, that love is worth everything. Thank you for subscribing and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.